for my tripod. I can't find it. This boys, oh my goodness, the way I've invested in this YouTube journey, only God knows. Been buying this, buying that here and there. They keep destroying it. They keep taking it to only God knows where. This my week there. Hey, 2022, I'm giving it award. I've been rocking this week. Only God knows. Oh, darlings, good morning to you all. How are you all doing? I believe you all doing good by the grace of God. I'm also fine. So today is 9th and I've got appointment at Jira school. That's parents meeting. They do yearly to meet their teacher and discuss how your child is doing in the school and all that, what and what not. So yeah, I'm done dressing up. Off I go. I'm going to dress little mama to up and then dress Jace to as well up, and we go. But for now, I'm done. I got something to put on. I love black. Black is one of my favorite colors. So when you see me rocking black all the time, you understand. Yeah, so today is 9th of March 2022 and we've got to do this. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. Let me bring it down for you to see. So this is it. This is what I'm rocking. Rocky. Eh, 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 eh. Okay, so the meeting was scheduled and mine is 11 p.m. and it's 10, let me see, and it's 10:27. So I have to dress the kids up and we go. There is stain. Hey, some more. So darlings, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like my videos. Please do like my videos. Give a thumbs up. The thumbs that is like this. Okay, darlings, when you're watching my videos, please do like my videos. So I'm done. Little mama too. I'm going to dress her up and then we go. And also please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Betha. In here I do vlog, lifestyle, cooking, fashion and more, all the good stuff, bit by bit. So if you find it interested, please, I know you will love it, consider yourself subscribing to be part of this amazing family. Okay, I love you all, guys. Let me hurry up so my time will not. Mama is done dressing up and we are about to go. So little mama is all set and we are about to go. I'm going to bring Jace downstairs and we go. Darlings, please don't forget to give it a like or give a thumbs up. JJ, hurry up! You won't let me be late today. Come on. Not today, please, not today. Hurry up. You're already late for this meeting. Oh my goodness. This life, eh? And yes, sir.
Actually, on Saturday, I took off.
Oh, I saw a mirror.
Yeah, but I sent them to the classes, so they didn't bring up all the any extras. So any extras they ever. I don't know what time is it then.
Bruh. Sorry for more. Good boy. I forgot to put my mask on. It was in my bag, so I just come. Madam too in there. Come, darling. Babe. Hello. Hello. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Look, Jack.
Mom?
Say hello. Come and say hello.
Mom?
Say hello, everyone. Yes, darling.
Mom?
Yes, babe.
Birthday. Heart.
Yeah, that is hot. Well done.
Mom?
Yes, babe.
Birthday. Heart.
Yes.
Mom?
Yes, darling.
Birthday. Heart.
Well done. It's hot. What again?
Mom?
Yeah, that is.
Birthday. This is a rat.
That is. Yeah, that isn't hot. It's cross. Say cross.
Mom?
Yes, babe.
Birthday. Love.
Cross. And that is cross.
Give this a quick sign.
Yeah.
This was after Christmas.
After
This is
Christmas,
before
okay.
Christmas, I mean.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
here,
that one, yeah.
both
Yeah,
the
just
child.
the one, like,
Okay.
Did this.
Finish.
Clean it, put it back in. Look. One.
What? Oh my goodness, this
Two.
boy.
Do it. Go. Go.
Making a mess in the office. Can you imagine? Darling, so that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. But then be watching us, please do subscribe. It's very windy here and cold as well. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so see you in my next video. I love you all, but always remember, God loves you more. See you in my next.